Hi, Emily. Do you like movies?
Yes, I like movies.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is a comedy.
Nice. Is it funny?
Yes, it is very funny.
Do you watch it at home?
Yes, I watch it at home.
Who is your favorite actor?
I like the main actor.
Is the story simple?
Yes, it is easy to understand.
That is good for English.
Yes, I learn new words.
When do you watch movies?
I watch movies at night.
Do you watch alone?
Sometimes alone, sometimes with family.
That sounds nice.
Yes, I enjoy it.
Do you watch movies in English?
Yes, a little.
That is great practice.
I try my best.
Keep watching and learning.
Thank you, Michael.
Emily, do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
What music do you like?
I like soft music.
Do you like pop music?
Yes, I like pop music.
Who is your favorite singer?
I like a famous singer.
Do you listen every day?
Yes, I listen every day.
When do you listen to music?
In the morning and evening.
Does music help you relax?
Yes, it helps me relax.
Do you listen in English?
Yes, simple English songs.
That is good practice.
I learn new words.
Do you sing too?
A little, not very good.
That is okay.
I enjoy singing.
Music is great for learning.
Yes, I feel happy.
Keep listening every day.
I will.
Good job, Emily. Do you watch TV shows, Emily?
Yes, I watch TV shows.
What is your favorite show?
I like a family show.
Is it interesting?
Yes, very interesting.
Is it funny or serious?
It is funny.
When do you watch it?
I watch it in the evening.
Do you watch with family?
Yes, with my family.
Do you understand the story?
Yes, most of it.
That is great.
I feel more confident.
Do you watch in English?
Sometimes with subtitles.
That helps a lot.
Yes, it helps me learn.
Do you talk about it later?
Yes, with my sister.
Very nice.
I enjoy it.
Keep watching and learning.
Thank you.
Emily, do you like reading?
Yes, I like reading.
What book do you like?
I like a short story book.
Is it easy to read?
Yes, it is easy.
Is it in English?
Yes, simple English.
That is good.
I read every day.
When do you read?
Before sleeping.
Do you read alone?
Yes, alone.
Do you understand the words?
Some words are new.
That is normal.
I use a dictionary.
Very good habit.
I learn slowly.
Slow is okay.
I feel better now.
Reading builds confidence.
Yes, I feel that.
Keep reading daily.
I will.
Talking about your daily schedule. Emily, tell me about your day.
Okay, I wake up early
What time do you wake up?
at 7 o'clock.
What do you do next?
I eat breakfast.
Then what?
I study English.
That is great.
I study for 1 hour.
Do you work after that?
Yes, I do some work.
When do you eat lunch?
At 1 o'clock.
What about evening?
I relax and watch TV.
Do you study again?
Yes, a little.
Good habit.
I try every day.
When do you sleep?
At 10 o'clock.
That is healthy.
Yes, I feel good.
Keep this schedule.
Thank you.
Talking about free time. Emily, do you have free time?
Yes, I have some free time.
What do you do then?
I watch videos.
Anything else?
I walk outside.
Do you like walking?
Yes, it is relaxing.
Do you go alone?
Sometimes with a friend.
That is nice.
We talk and laugh.
Do you use English?
A little, simple words.
That is good practice.
I feel shy sometimes.
That is okay.
I try again.
Very good.
I want to improve.
Free time is useful.
Yes, I enjoy it.
Keep using English.
I will.
You are doing well.
Thank you.
Making an appointment. Emily, let's make an appointment.
Okay.
What is the appointment for?
For a doctor visit.
What day do you want?
Monday, please.
What time?
At 10 in the morning.
Is that okay for you?
Yes, it is good.
Can you come on time?
Yes, I can.
Do you need the address?
Yes, please.
I will send it.
Thank you.
Do you need to bring anything?
My papers.
Good.
I understand.
The appointment is ready.
I feel confident.
You did great.
Thank you for help.
You're welcome. Canceling an appointment. Emily, do you need help?
Yes, I need to cancel.
Cancel an appointment?
Yes, please.
What is the reason?
I am sick today.
That is okay.
I feel sorry.
No problem.
Can I choose another day?
Yes, of course.
Maybe next week.
What day next week?
Wednesday.
What time?
In the afternoon.
That works.
Thank you very much.
You are polite.
I try my best.
You spoke well.
I feel better now.
Good job.
Thank you.
Talking about time and dates. Emily, do you know today's date?
Yes, it is March 5th.
Very good.
Thank you.
What day is it?
It is Wednesday.
Do you like this day?
Yes, I do.
Why?
I have free time.
That is nice.
Yes, I relax.
What date is your class?
On March 10th.
At what time?
At 9 o'clock.
You are clear.
I practice a lot.
Practice helps.
Yes, I see.
Do you check the calendar?
Yes, every day.
Good habit.
Thank you.
You are improving.
I feel happy.
Asking the time. Emily, can you ask the time?
Yes. What time is it?
It is 3 o'clock.
Thank you.
Do you use a watch?
Yes, I do.
Do you check time often?
Yes, very often.
Why?
I like to be on time.
That is good.
I try to be careful.
How do you ask politely?
Excuse me, what time is it?
Perfect.
I feel confident.
You should.
Thank you for practice.
You are welcome.
I will keep learning.
That is great.
Time is important.
Yes, it is.
I understand now.
Talking about your age and birthday. Emily, how old are you?
I am 22 years old.
Nice.
Thank you.
When is your birthday?
It is in July.
What day in July?
July 15th.
Do you celebrate?
Yes, with family.
Do you get gifts?
Sometimes small gifts.
That is nice.
I feel happy.
Do you say your age easily?
Yes, now I can.
Good progress.
I practice speaking.
It shows.
Thank you.
Keep practicing.
I will.
You sound confident.
I feel confident.
Talking about your dreams and goals. Emily, do you have a dream?
Yes, I do.
What is your dream?
I want to speak English well.
That is a great goal.
Thank you.
Why English?
It helps my future.
Do you practice daily?
Yes, every day.
That is important.
I study slowly.
Slow is okay.
I do not give up.
Very good.
I want to be confident.
You are improving.
I feel that.
Dreams need practice.
Yes, I know.
Keep going.
I will.
I believe in you.
Thank you so much.
Talking about problems and solutions. Emily, do you have a problem?
Yes, sometimes.
What is the problem?
I forget words.
That is normal.
I feel sad.
Do not worry.
What can I do?
Practice and repeat.
Repeat words?
Yes, every day.
That helps?
Yes, a lot.
I will try.
Use simple notes.
Good idea.
Speak slowly.
Okay.
You will improve.
I feel better now.
Problems have solutions.
Yes, thank you.
You are welcome.
I will keep going.
Asking for permission. Emily, can you ask for permission?
I think so.
Try now.
Can I sit here?
Very good.
Thank you.
Another example?
Can I ask a question?
Perfect.
I feel shy sometimes.
That is okay.
I try to be polite.
You are polite.
Thank you.
Permission words are important.
Yes, I see.
Practice them often.
I will.
You did great.
I feel confident.
Good.
Thank you for help.
Giving simple advice. Emily, can I give advice?
Yes, please.
Practice English every day.
Okay.
Listen to simple English.
I do that.
Speak slowly.
That helps me.
Do not be afraid.
I try not to be.
Make small goals.
Good idea.
Repeat words often.
I will do that.
Advice helps learning.
Yes, thank you.
You are doing well.
I feel encouraged.
Keep going.
I will.
Believe in yourself.
I believe.
Talking about rules and instructions. Emily, do you follow rules?
Yes, I do.
Why are rules important?
They help us.
Give an example.
Be on time.
Good.
Listen carefully.
Yes,
Do homework.
that is important.
Follow instructions.
Very good.
Speak one by one.
Nice example.
Rules make things easy.
I agree.
I understand better now.
Good job.
Thank you.
Keep following rules.
I will.
Talking about feelings and emotions. Emily, how do you feel today?
I feel good.
Happy or tired?
A little tired,
That is okay.
but I am happy.
Why happy?
I learn English.
That is great.
I feel proud.
You should.
Sometimes I feel shy.
That is normal.
I talk anyway.
Very brave.
Thank you.
Feelings are important.
Yes, I see.
Talk about them.
I will.
You are improving.
I feel that.
Talking about being happy or sad. Emily, are you happy today?
Yes, I am happy.
That is nice.
I feel relaxed.
Do you feel sad sometimes?
Yes, sometimes.
That is normal.
I talk to family.
That helps.
Yes, a lot.
What makes you happy?
Learning new things.
Like English?
Yes, English.
I am glad.
Me too.
Stay positive.
I try.
You are doing well.
Thank you.
Keep smiling.
I will.
Talking about being tired or busy. Emily, are you busy today?
Yes, very busy.
Why busy?
I have work and study.
Are you tired?
A little tired.
Do you rest?
Yes, in the evening.
That is good.
I need rest.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, I do.
Good sleep helps.
Yes, I feel better.
Do not work too much.
I will be careful.
Balance is important.
I understand.
You are strong.
Thank you.
Keep going. Talking about prices and budget. Emily, do you check prices?
Yes, always.
Why?
I have a budget.
That is smart.
I save money.
Do you compare prices?
Yes, before buying.
Good habit.
I buy cheap things.
Cheap but good.
Yes, quality matters.
Do you plan spending?
Yes, every month.
Very good.
Money is important.
Yes, it is.
I feel responsible.
You are.
Thank you.
Keep managing well.
I will.